How's it going? Elias here from Your House Fitness, and in today's video I'm showing you how to do a sumo squat. Now the sumo squat, unlike the conventional squat where your legs are shoulder width apart, sumo squat you're actually putting your feet a little bit more further out, sort of like you're in that sumo squat or that sumo stance like the name implies. So we want to point the feet outwards, and if it feels comfortable we go down into the positioning and then back up. And as we start to get stronger in that movement, we can start adding some weight to it. Make sure you always warm up before doing hand. And we're going to get into sort of a goblet squat stance here, but we're keeping the feet more wider apart. And we're coming down into it and back up, down, and then back up. This is a great glute exercise, great leg exercise as well to develop strong legs. And it also incorporates a little bit of the core as well. To keep the balance. So off to the side, keep the back straight, coming down, keeping it all the way down, coming down, and then up, all the way down, and back up. If there's any knee pain in these movements, see if you need to adjust the ankles, see if doing it with shoes or without shoes makes it a little bit better. We don't want to have any knee pain or any knee strains in doing these movements. So hopefully you include this in your programming.